brothers and sisters. Today, I'll share two special dishes made with sweet potato sprouts. Popular appetizers with a sour and spicy flavor. Don't go down. Sweet potato seedlings before the meal. It's all used to feed pigs, but today we're turning it into a delicious treat. Sisters, please like and save this post. Today, I chose sweet potato seedlings from Luo Nen. The pole is quite thick. Let's pick off the leaves first and save the stem to make another dish. After picking them, we wash the leaves again. There's a lot of mud on this, so you need to wash it twice. After it's done, put it in a bowl and set it aside. Then we clean the pole thoroughly. After cutting it, we cut it into small pieces. After chopping, pour it into a large bowl. Add the amount of salt you would normally use when stir-frying vegetables. Mix it well and then marinate it. Chop the leaves that have been washed for 2 hours. When putting them into the blender for grinding, don't add too many at once. Applying it in batches will result in a more delicate finish. After breaking it all up, pour it out. Add an appropriate amount. Keep pouring water. It will turn into this in a while. The seed pulp is ready, then pour it into the filter bag. Squeeze out the juice. Be careful here. Make sure to filter out all the residue, otherwise the final product will be ruined. Finished product. The feeling will be particularly rough. Next, we'll add a little baking soda to the juice. It can neutralize the color and flavor of sweet potato leaves and also to make the finished product more emerald green. Adding 1 or 2 grams to a pound of leaves is enough. Then accurate. Prepare a large bowl and first pour in 3 bowls of sweet potato leaf juice. Pour in 3 bowls of clear water in equal amounts. Water is the basic amount for making jelly. Add a little salt to increase its elasticity. Put them all in the pot. Next, prepare a bowl of all-purpose starch. The ratio of water to starch is 6:1. Keep stirring until there are no dry lumps of starch. Then turn on low heat and heat slowly. Stirring must be done continuously throughout the process. As temperatures rise, the color will gradually darken and the texture will become increasingly viscous. When large bubbles start to appear in the pot, it means the starch has completely gelatinized. Change. Just 1 more minute at this point. Ho, let's go to the Lumo drama right away. Gently straighten it a few times to remove the air bubbles, and that's how you remove it. The surface will be smoother after molding. This time, our sweet potato stems are also pickled, and we've gotten a lot of them. Look at all this water. Now let's scoop out these sweet potato stalks and let them dry. Just let it dry until the surface is completely dry. This time, our jelly has solidified, so let's remove it. The membrane is a very bright green color and has a particularly bouncy texture. Cut it into strips. Add seasonings. Light soy sauce and aged vinegar. Sugar-flavored chili oil. Add a little salt and then add the garlic at the end. Minced scallions, chopped cilantro, and peanuts. Mix well and it's ready to eat. The initial taste is refreshing, sour, and spicy, making it particularly appetizing and cleansing. Now our sweet potato chips are also dried. Okay, it's dried like this, the surface is still damp. Half. Just add water and put it directly into a large bowl. Add some minced garlic and chili, and a splash of white vinegar to enhance the sour and tangy flavor. Finally, don't forget to have a. It can be used to make high-proof liquor. This makes the dried sweet potatoes crispier and more fragrant, and also extends their shelf life. Then put on gloves and mix them thoroughly. After mixing well, pour into a clean, dry jar. At that time, try to press it down as tightly as possible. Then cover it with an airtight lid and refrigerate it for a few days before eating. Our dried sweet potatoes have been pickled for 3 days. The color is a slightly emerald green. The yellow ones taste sour, spicy, and crunchy. Appetizing. Whether it's for eating with rice. Very good for mixing rice noodles and noodles. It's delicious, and all the sisters who like it can enjoy it. Give it a try. Follow the aroma of tea. Every day smells like rain.